So if you ever like Pixel Experience OS, then I'm sure you're gonna love this new PixelPlusUI. PixelPlusUI is a standard Pixel experience plus some amazing useful features. So now you get stability of Pixel 4 OS and some new features. So let's get started. So this is Pixel Experience Plus Edition, more like Pixel Experience Pro. And everybody knows that Pixel Experience is minimal ROM with almost zero features. So it's good for people who want to feel Pixel OS in their phone, but after some times it really gets boring. And then comes this Pixel Plus Edition. The same software with some extra goodies, like this hidden built-in screen recorder. In order to use that, press your power button and long press on your screenshot button. Here you get option to record your mic audio too. Now by default it's not enabled. For that you will have to run this simple adv command. As for now you can only record external audio and not the system audio like Evolution X ROM, and that's a bummer. But don't worry, developer is updating this ROM regularly and hopefully it will be fixed in next few updates. And then there is this feature called caffeine which prevents your screen from going off for selected time period. Of course you can select the time or make it infinity. Now this feature is really useful when you are reading something in your smartphone. So in the display setting you get now themes to customize your phone. This is for people who want to get stability of Pixel OS but still want to customize their phone. So with this new Apple update you get this Face Unlock in the Pixel Plus edition. Before this, Face Unlock wasn't working in any Android 10 custom ROM. And this can be a huge deal for many people who like to unlock their phone quickly. Of course, Face Unlock is not that safe, but with this Plus edition, this Face Unlock doesn't work with close eye. It's even more secure than Pixel 4 OS itself. And for some reason, if you don't like this spill of navigation gesture, with this ROM you can completely remove it. This ROM provides full screen navigation gesture. When you enable that, you can hide this spill. And if you're not using these gestures, then you can also hide 3 buttons in your navigation. So that's how you get this seamless full screen gesture experience. Now let's talk about the features. You get all the features in this dedicated tab called Pixelizer. Features like traffic indicators, clock customization. As you can see, I have customized my clock. Now it shows the date also. Then you can customize your power menu, you can hide your VoLTE icon, or you can just invert your layout of Android gestures. Also, it is one of the very few Android ROMs that comes with pre-installed Gcam 7. So Gcam 7 is by far the most advanced camera app with amazing nightlight photography. This can be another reason to install this outstanding ROM. But the real reason I installed Pixel Plus in my phone is the battery life. I got around 8 hours of screen time, and surprisingly the charging speed is much faster than the standard Pixel OS. When it comes to stability, I'm using this for almost a week now and I didn't face any random reboot or any lag. I think this is a must install if you really like Pixel Experience ROM. Pixel Plus Edition is available for many Android phones and all the download links is in description. Before you go, like this video if you appreciate my work, and I will see you tomorrow.